Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use AutoSum function in Excel. In order to use the AutoSum function in Excel, we need to simply place the mouse cursor where I have to apply this AutoSum function. If I wanted to apply the AutoSum function for the column E, I have to place the mouse cursor in the blank cell bottom of the column E. This is where I need to calculate the total sum. Simply click on the formula and select the AutoSum and sum. It will highlight the entire range of cells for the E column which needs to be calculated for the total. You will see the total when you press the enter. This is the total for the column E. This is how we can calculate using the AutoSum function. If I wanted to use the same function for the manufacturing price, I will click on the AutoSum again. You will see the range of cells are already highlighted, and you can notice there is the total already updated. In case if I wanted to add another set of rows in the given data set, just to see how the AutoSum function works, I will add some more rows. I can click insert to add rows, or Control and Y to add multiple rows. Now I will copy some data from the available dataset. I will paste it here. Again, I will copy some more data and paste it for the another two rows. Now I have copied some more data in the existing sheet. If I check what happens to the AutoSum, let me click on the total. If you see, when I click on the total, it is not highlighting the complete range of cells. It is only highlighting the range of cells which we have selected in the previous total. The rows which we copied and added, it has not taken. So it is not maintaining the consistency of the total. So I need to drag till the end so that the total is consistent. Sum has taken the entire cell range. For the other column F, manufacturing price, it has also not taken. So I will drag the formula so that it will take the entire cell range. You can validate just by clicking the total and see if it has taken the complete cell range. Now, because it has taken the complete cell range, for other remaining cells, we can copy the formula so that we get the total for the other headers as well. Since I have copied the formula into other cells, let us see if it has taken the complete range of cells for each of the headers. Yes, it has taken the full range of cells for each of the headers. This is the way which we can use the AutoSum feature to calculate the given set of data.